Hello everyone, today I'm gonna read the story about the princess and the chestnut. Once upon a time, there was a prince who lived in a chestnut castle. His wish was to marry a princess. But only a real princess do. The prince knew that real princess had delicate skin. This of the prince's wish spread through the empire, and the princess all around the world came to the castle. They said, I'm a real princess. I really want to get married to the prince. The prince told the princesses, if you pass my test, I will marry you. The prince told the first princess, your test is to ride this dragon. The first princess got on the dragon and rode it without a blister. The prince kicked her out. You ride the dragon better than me. You're not a real princess. The prince then told the second princess, your test is to make a rock castle. The second princess lifted the rocks with a scratch on her hand. The prince kicked her out too. Your skin is too tough. You're not a real princess. The prince was dissatisfied. Day after day, no one met his standard. He kicked them all out. One evening, a terrible storm struck the castle. Thunder cracked, lightning flashed, and rain poured down. It was really frightful. Unexpectedly, the king heard a knock at the gate. He went to open it. Who is it? A girl stood at the door, her dress soaking wet. I'm a princess, let me in. The queen heard about the stranger and wanted to find out whether she was a real princess or not. She took all the bedding off the guest room bed and placed one chestnut on the mattress secretly. Then she piled 20 mattresses on top of the chestnut. The queen led the princess to the royal guest room. Here's your bed, sleep tight. The next morning, the queen asked the princess, did you sleep well, my dear? The princess rubbed her eyes. Oh no, I could hardly lay on the bed because it was so comfortable. King and the queen smiled. The prince yelled, no one but a real princess has delicate skin as you. You're a real princess. I've been looking for you everywhere. The prince married the real princess on the spot. They kept the chestnut in the Royal Museum as a symbol of their love and lived happily ever after. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe and like the video. Bye!